Hello everyone. Today I have prepared a new breakfast recipe using oats. Oats pancakes. Yummy and healthy for breakfast. It's easy way to make in a blender. So here I'm using 1 cup of oats. Grind it into fine powder. These healthy, fluffy pancakes are naturally gluten-free, contains no flour or no sugar. So it's very simple to prepare for kids. For a cup of oats, here I'm adding 2 ripe bananas. If you add overripe bananas, that will be more tastier for pancakes. Here again I'm using a blender for mixing. So after adding 2 bananas, I'm going to add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This gives flavor. And half teaspoon baking powder. And a pinch of salt. And half cup of milk. I'm using skimmed milk. Then blend it to a creamy texture. These gluten-free pancakes also happens to be an awesome post-workout breakfast because they are packed with healthy complex carbs and 12-gram protein per serving. Yes, that's true. And look at the creamy texture here. I'm going to add this smooth creamy texture banana into a bowl. Then mix the oats powder to this. I'm not adding a single spoon of sugar or jaggery. As you already know that oatmeal is very good for our body. It's cholesterol free, good source of fiber and also low fat. So we can use it for breakfast or for dinner, and it is very healthy for elder, for adults and even for kids. And now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now it's time to mix the ingredients. So mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pop it in the pan, fry the pancake, toss the pancake, catch it if you can. I'm not going to toss the pancake for sure because I'm not good to catch the pancake. While mixing, if the batter is not smooth, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons milk. Now it's time to spread little clarified butter on the hot pan. I prefer to make very small pancakes. So you can make big or small pancakes based on your requirement. But always thicker version will be very good to eat, and you can put on top of that honey and enjoy the pancakes. Easy healthy banana oats pancakes is a filling breakfast served with fresh fruit and can be made in minutes. All in all, a fantastic alternative to regular old pancakes filled with all the good stuffs and a great, easy, healthy breakfast. Yum! Look at the color. We'll spread some more clarified butter once done. Most appetizing banana oats pancakes are ready. So I'm putting some honey on top of the banana oats pancakes. They are delicious. Try it, eat it, and share it. Thanks for watching.